teaching someone something you know for free, is it wrong or is it the right thing to do? Today, personally, I want to tell you my opinion on it. I believe that if you want to start learning something, or if you want to start teaching rather something and you need to gain more experience, I think the best way to go about it is to teach someone for free. Teach someone for free, you have the ability to give more time, and you have the flexibility to actually zoom in on that thing so you can able to focus on learning. Once you get to the stage where you're actually asking for money, your mind is gonna change. It doesn't matter, we are all humans, and once it comes to the time for start paying for something, then your mindset is gonna change and you're gonna focus on the money. You guys have to understand what I'm trying to say. Not everyone does this, but majority of people, they normally have a mindset change once money come in. So for me personally, I believe that once you get to a level and you want to start teaching someone something, the best way to go about it, for me personally, I will do it for free. Then once I have my result will just speaks for itself. Because I want to tell you a story today. Back when I was living in Jamaica, I used to know this neighbor. He was a guy that built furnitures, right? And normally people will come to him and he will like build their furnitures for him, and he will normally just give them a price. And he always tell us this story that people, when he set his price, people normally up his price because sometimes people have to see that value. So sometimes I think the best way to do it is to start off for free, then you slowly put your price up as um your qualification for that thing grows and you have the result to show. Guys, people are not the kind of person that will hold back on things. If people see that there's value, trust me, they will pay. But sometimes I think you have to let your work speak for itself. So guys, check out the next clip and I'll. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also to click that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So yes guys. So guys, basically I'm in my Givvy active income and here I have 13 apps with me. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go over them one by one, show tell you guys their name and basically how there are basically. Yes guys, so first we have the Givvy. So the Givvy app, so it's basically just a app that you're able to do daily rewards. Then you have the Givvy 24, 2048. So basically just a game. Then you have the Givvy City Rush. So basically that guys is just a app where you basically merge city and you're able to get paid just by doing that. Also guys, they have Givvy Dominoes. It's just plain domino by Givvy. Again, you have a Givvy giveaway. So that's basically just scratching um cards just for earnings. Then you have the Givvy higher lower. With the Givvy higher lower, you just have to play a game where you guess the number next would be higher or lower. Then you have the Givvy offers. It's basically a app where you have a lot of Givvy offers that they are available. So yes guys, then you have the Givvy radio, basically just watching radio. Givvy social is basically a social media app where you can post apps, where you can post photos rather. So yes guys, also you have the Givvy solitaire where you're basically playing solitaire. The Givvy video, you just watch a random videos and you're able to earn like that. The Givvy numbers, so basically you just pick some numbers, and once you pick some numbers you're able to play that game and just submit your numbers that you pick, and then you're able to earn by doing that. Also you have the watch tube. Watch tube is basically the same thing as Giving videos. You're able to watch some videos, listen to music, and you're able to earn points just for doing that. With your earnings, guys, you're able to take out PayPal money and other stuff. I have a full video of all these on my channel, guys, so go ahead and check them out. Just type in any of these app, and also I will just leave the link to all these 13 apps in the description down below. So if you're interested in taking out PayPal money, basically that's what I am doing, guys. As you already know, I am on the road to 1,000 US dollars. So these are some of the apps that I basically use, and I want to share with you guys today. So there will be sign and bonus also. So yes, guys, so before I go, guys, I just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.